welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you an e-girl hair hack. To show you how I got this pink hair right here without any bleach. How? Well, I'm going to be showing you in 3, 2, 1. Whew.
Hello cuties! Okay, first things first, we're going to grab the lightest shade of concealer or foundation and we're just going to put that all over our 2 strands of hair, making sure that all of our hair is covered and you don't see your natural hair color. And then once you are done with that, you're going to grab any eyeshadow color of your choice and you're just going to dab eyeshadow all over our hair and make sure that the concealer and that our hair is covered. I recommend that you only do this for pictures and that you don't take this look when you're out and about because it is concealer. It will smear and it'll smudge. The same with the eyeshadow, and it will stain your forehead, and we ain't about that life. But once you're done covering up all the concealer, you're done. Go rock it, girl.
Completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed my e-girl hair hack. If you did, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.